Hi guys, welcome back to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Aloo Gobi, which is like sort of cauliflower and potatoes. Cauliflower is not very well represented in a Western culture, in a Western cuisine, but it's very well represented in Indian food and Indian culture, right? So what I've taken is one full cauliflower, which is like sort of medium size, and I've taken two medium sized potatoes and I've cut them really thinly, smallly, so whatever you call it. And I've got some crushed onions, coriander, garlic, ginger, and my chilies, and a half a tin of tomatoes, right? So how the aloo gobi is cooked traditionally, we're gonna do back to front, right? So I will show you how we're gonna do it, right? So put your pan on, add your 2 tablespoons of oil, and let it heat up, yeah? Our oil is heated. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our gobi, yeah? So basically we're going to keep on tossing it so it's become crispier, yeah? The reason why I do this to cauliflower first is because I want to bind the cauliflower together so it doesn't break, it doesn't get soggy when you're cooking your cauliflower. If you look at it here, right, when your cauliflower starts to get a little bit browner like this, that means it's bind together, and it will not break now when you're cooking a cauliflower curry, and it will not become soggy, it will stay crispier. So this is stage 1. So we're going to take this off, right? And I always want to make things less fattening, because I really hate it, right, when I see curry with full of oil, because I really hate it. So this is second stage for potatoes now, right? One spoon, right, which is like sort of tablespoon of oil, and I'm gonna add my potatoes, right? So we're gonna make our potato crispy as well, right? So guys, make sure you don't use one of these spoons to stir it for cauliflower potatoes, because we don't want them to break. We just want them to be crispier. Look at that, guys, the potatoes are getting crispier, like sort of brown. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them with our cauliflower, yeah? So in here. So because we already used 3 spoons, right? Here we're only gonna put 1 more spoon. So just to make our gravy. So 1, 2, 3 spoons of crushed onion. I'm going to simmer my gas little bit, medium high, yes. 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm going to add half a spoon of turmeric. So we're gonna add our tomatoes in here. Same amount of water, just keep it on the side. We're gonna add slowly. High flame. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of green chilies, now at this stage what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of our methi, yeah, which is like dry methi, a good big pinch, right? So make sure you break it nicely, yeah? There you go. We're going to cook our methi as well. The same amount of water we have taken, what we taken as tomatoes, right? So we're going to add in here slowly, yeah? Gravy is getting thicker, so I'm going to add my rest of the water in here, right? And add all your potatoes and your cauliflower, yeah? So all together we have used 4 spoons of oil, yeah? So just keep it on sort of high flame. I've mixed all the gravy with all the potatoes and cauliflower. So what I'm going to do now is, so I'm going to simmer it, gas on the back burner. I'm going to leave it there for 10 minutes. So I'm going to come back after 10 minutes, sort of medium gas, right? And I'll come back after 10 minutes to check on it. In 10 minutes, I'm going to check on it, and I'll bring it to front. Look at that. Most of the water has been evaporated or been soaked. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to, if you break, oh look, potatoes are breaking very easy. That means potatoes are done. So look at here. Our gobi is nearly done too. So we're just going to openly cook this, right? So, for 5 minutes. Don't do spatula for too much. Just toss it, right? Because otherwise the cauliflower breaks. Yeah. Or you can only maybe do it once or twice. You turn it around slowly. That's it really, but don't do it too much. It is not done yet, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it back on a really sim heat for 10 more minutes, and then we come back and check it after 10 minutes, yeah? That's how it looks like after the second 10 minutes. Wow, it's all done. There is no water, nothing. Look at that, really dry gobi. So I'm just gonna check on the gobi. So it breaks, so that means done, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my coriander garam masala on. So just say 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Right. Mix it well. Right. And I'm gonna chuck coriander and a good handful of coriander and let it rest for 10 minutes without any heat. Right guys, let's taste it. Wow, really nice taste. Cauliflower is done really nicely, potatoes done really nicely. It's got beautiful aroma of garlic and ginger, and there's a really nice taste of earthy of our methi, dry methi. It tastes really nice, guys. Please follow my recipe and cook it, see how it goes. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my aloo gobi. Today's shout goes to Mr. and Mrs. Rihal from Birmingham and Sukhvinder Kaur from Hinckley, right? Guys, if you want me to give you a shout out, please DM me on Instagram at Desi Boy Kitchen and I will give you a shout out on my next video. Thank you. Keep on cooking. Bye for now.